What's going on, guys? Justin from 413 Bros. Today I'm going to do a overview of my homemade air intake for my 1.4 turbo Jetta. So I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I don't advise doing this. I think you should just spend the money and just buy one. This is a work in progress. It's not done. I've got things I'm changing out, and I need to make a bracket for it and a heat shield. And don't give me shit in the comments because I'm just gonna delete whatever's negative. Like I said, work in progress. I tried to do this the cheap way, and you know, I wanted it to be my own thing, but if I was gonna do it again, just spend the money, do it the right way. But anyways, my car is cold. It isn't running, so I'll do a quick start. Just rained here. Forgive the mess, I haven't detailed the car yet. It's loud as hell when it's cold. Like a goddamn jet. There we go. So this is just a Spectre filter with, I think it's 2 3/4 inch piping. I think this is Vibrant Performance, and I just have an elbow here. I don't like these band style clamps because they got these T-bolts on them. Those I'm gonna replace. This fitting here, I had to hack to shit to get it to sit low, but it's a 45. I think it's a 2.5 to 2 3/4, I believe. I'll link everything in the description on what I use, but I'm gonna replace all these. The car was just in the shop for a recall, and it got spark plugs and oil change and everything, and the back brake's done, so they didn't even put this together properly. Like I said, I gotta make a mount. This is just temporary. This is just some like fucking tent stake thing that I bent, stuck in here, and put a stopper in here. But this isn't very tight. I'm gonna make a full heat shield. I gotta tuck in all my wiring because I have Demon Eyes in here that I installed. These headlights are amazing. I'm gonna do a overview video of all the mods and stuff in a separate video. But yeah, this is a work in progress. I gotta make a better mount for this. I gotta clean up all my wiring, and I'm gonna make a heat shield. There we go. I'm gonna make a heat shield that'll go here and sit in here now that we have a welder, and replace these fittings. I'm gonna be in this for like $150 or so, and I would just spend the money and get one that's already done. So getting this to fit properly was a pain in the balls. The way the turbo inlet is, it's just tricky. So be smart, spend the money, buy a nice one. Don't mind my filthy car. I have not detailed it. I barely even really drive it. I'm gonna go over some of the mods that I have done in a different video. This is just Plasti Dip. I took 1.5 inches off this shifter, and I will tell you that is one of my absolute favorite things that I've done to this car. What a world of difference, and all it costed me was a like 70-cent hose clamp. The clamp that held this in was a thin ass metal thing that was like a friggin' paper clip. So hose clamp, this thing doesn't come off. I mean, you have to really reef on it to get it to twist at all. But anyways, I'm gonna give you some revs. This is just wrinkled black, and this is just a breather. This is like a $6 breather from Amazon. Just forgot. But anyways, take it easy, guys. See you on the next one.